Welcome back, folks. It's a cold one this morning, I tell you what. Just gonna give you a quick update. See behind me, we got some stone delivered. That's going around the bottom perimeter of the place, and I'll flip you around and show you some other progress. This is a cultured stone, man-made stone, made here in South Carolina. And I'll bring you some updates on that as we start going up with it. We started running some soffit and fascia up here. Got almost the entire 40-foot span run. Man, it is chilly this morning. Come inside here, the building's been insulated now. Got most of our electrical wires run. So decided I wanted to spray foam the entire underside of the roof deck. I spray foamed everything under the roof, 4-foot knee wall there along the back, and these gable ends all the way down to the ceiling, all the way around. Come over here in this bay and you can see the same. My son had a good question. He's like, "Dad, why didn't they spray foam that part?" Well, this part over here actually captures that. So everything under roof is within the envelope, if that makes sense. It's all sealed all the way down to the plates. Gable ends on both ends here and down there. And we have all our metal on site to start covering up these ceilings and the walls. So plenty to do. I'm gonna start this morning off with covering these holes up. All I got is tarps, but at least it'll cut the wind, because the wind's pretty gnarly through here. So put this down and start putting some tarps up, close up these holes. Well, got a couple tarps up, blocking some of that air. Got some of our metal trim sorted out. I need to run a water line over here back to where the laundry and bathroom's going to be eventually, but that PEX pipe is a little too stiff, so I got it sitting out in the sun. See if it won't free up a little bit, and then we'll run that. We're gonna go back here and fire up the backhoe and finish sorting through this metal. All right, folks, well, it's getting dark, but we got in here and put up a few metal panels today. I just stuck those two up there so you could see the contrast. Got a little base cap running around the bottom, and then 4 foot of black. We put our Z bar or Z flashing, whatever you want to call it, and then stacking those panels on top. But I like it. I think it's turning out really nice. I got a little while on my work yet, but wanted to get you, show you a little bit of how this was turning out, coming together. Got the trailer unpacked and Got metal in that scaffold, using the scaffolding as a rack. All kind of different trim there and there. Like I say, we got the trailer unpacked, so I left these long panels on there. My small backhoe is not gonna pick that up, I don't believe. Pretty sure it won't, so. There's our black panels there. That's what they call crinkle finish. That looks really good. I got the galvalumes going in the ceiling. Crinkle finish black on the bottom you saw, and then a gray for the last upper portion of the wall. Bunch more J-channel there, a lot of J-channel, and then all our wall panels here. But yeah, it's coming together. Thought about getting up here and running that soffit and fascia today, but it's just really too cold to be messing with that stuff. I'm doing vinyl on the soffits, and then we're gonna do hardy plank, just like a board and batten around for the siding. But yeah, it's coming together. Oh, we got our stone over here too. Pulled a few pieces of it out. That's gonna look nice. Nicey nice. So yeah, that's the stone. It is cultured. Almost looks like a pea gravel type stone with color and put in it. I'm not sure how to cast it. Some of the casting's not the best. You can see you got some edges I'm gonna have to, well, me or somebody's gonna have to take care of. But yeah, they're all the same size and pattern, if that makes sense. Let me see if I can get y'all a little better shot. Well, it won't zoom out, but yeah, they're all the same size, if you will. It basically just goes together like Legos. Supposed to do a scratch coat with wire lathe behind it, and then a scratch coat, and then set the stone in it. But I had a longtime mason friend of mine tell me you don't have to do all that scratch coat. He recommended just putting Durarock on the wall and go right over the Durarock with this stone product. So we'll see. I'm gonna get a couple different prices, a couple different opinions, and see what I feel comfortable with, and we'll go with that. Also finished up little piece of soffit back here, and one piece of metal, all black soffit, black fascia. I think that's gonna look really nice. So, all right, that's gonna do it for today, but I'm gonna get in here while I got a little bit of daylight left and work on some more of these wall panels. Stick around, I'll bring you back tomorrow and see what we can get done. Well, as y'all can see, it is raining, and nasty day. There's my tarps from outside. I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but we got the ceiling put in. Still got to go along through here and put my plugs up there and get my lights hung. There's one there. I'm probably gonna have to do this on a better day, but ceiling's all in here. Walls are done in this part of the shop anyway. Got a gray there, black on the bottom. It's coming together. Got a mess is what I got, but anyhow, standing water everywhere. Just a big old sloppy mess right now. But we'll do what we can as we can. Just wanted to bring y'all back. It's been a couple days since I shown anything on the progress, but yeah, it's coming along. All right, folks, welcome back. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. You can see we have ceilings done, galvalume. Upper part of the walls is a gray, and along the bottom is black. I like it. I think it's turned out very nice. We are getting very close. Another couple days probably. I don't know. Mike can do it in a day. Depends on how everything goes. Still got to come in here and put on my plugs and hang all these lights. I hung one there. I don't know if you can see. Just put a plug in it. I got a short piece of chain and an anchor point screwed into the block up there. And right now I just run a drop cord to it, so when we got the generator running in the evening, that one light puts off a ton of light, so it's coming together. Brick masons were out here today, giving me prices on what's what. Still not much done on the outside. Big Sue over there, I had her busy for a little while today. Got another shipping container and got it sent out here. Had it delivered the other day, and then I took this morning and walk around the corner. The sun's probably gonna blind you. I threw up some dirt, started digging a borrow pit today, so I'll have some dirt to get rid of this water. But anyway, back to the shipping container. Set it up this morning, drug it back a little bit from where it was, pushed it back a little bit away from the building, and just got blocks under the four corners, leveled it up pretty close. It's coming together. I like the black soffit and fascia. I think that looks really nice. Decide what I'm gonna do on that beam there. And yeah, I'm ready to move forward with this brick and get the siding on this thing. And like I say, a couple more days in here. By the time I put the metal on those walls in that bay over there, got a little bit to do above these two door headers. And finish dressing out this electrical, and then I can call the inspector back out here and see if we can't get power on the building. That's my push right now. Try to get power on this building. So appreciate y'all watching. If you will, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate y'all watching.